Children having fun in the sun on the beach. Check this video out and see. Come now. I got to water. One of them I forgot I wanted them. Two I want to stay. So how much up here, sir? I hear them in all, you know.
Lexi.
Lexi! Lexi! Say aye! Lexi! Say aye! Give me a thumbs up! No Wi-Fi, but you don't know thumbs up. Tiana, me a thumbs up. Fun in the sun. Chin, give me a thumbs up. Lexi! Jolie! Hey, don't throw the sand in the ear! No sand in the ear! So if I carry mommy, gonna get a little touch of water there. And them things they talk about, take care of your grandmother. How does that be done? Pitch up the head, man. Roger them, I'm gonna kill them. Let them. You need to go there and want to go wash out of here. Your mother, I know what to do here, yeah? Here. Johnny! Moving on. Johnny, 2, 4, 6, 7, and 1 behind the field. Except now they have 1 behind the field. We not see. Oh, Gabriel right there, so. See, somebody. How much of them there? Where? No, but at 6, we see. 2 years, 2 others, 6 me I see. Who me see? See, 2 years, China and Gabby, Jolie and Lexi, see, Tashana and yeah. So who? Oh, see how that. I'm not gonna say me know me again. You call them 10 minutes.
Alright, let's go with it.
Gabby! Get up out of the sun, you gotta come out and you come out clean. Come. Everybody count off them and make sure you eat of them. You know, you're so eat it. Let's want people. We don't know how to work for them something. Let's want people. Sales man.
In our water.
Don't spread towel on the seat, man, and the water, the water.